So today I'm just going to be doing a brown eye. I'm going to be working with this Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette from Colorpop. Looks like that. So just something very basic. I think this is a really great palette for your complete everyday makeup needs. First, I'm going to be using a eye primer. This is by Hourglass. And what I like about this primer is it doesn't have a floral scent. Have you ever used a primer that has like a super flowery scent as if trying to hide something? I have tried 2 other primers. These are both by Makeup Forever. This one's the Hydra Booster and this one is the Minimizer, and both of these have that super strong floral scent that I do not like. I don't like the floral scent or lots of perfumey scents. I'm just super sensitive to that. So this Hourglass eye primer is a good one. It doesn't smell like anything. The first color I'm going to start with is this really light neutral one. It's called Shredded. It's really pretty. And I'm going to just plop that all over the lid. This color we're gonna go in Lada. It is just kind of a darker shade of brown. It's more of a medium-sized brown, and we're going to work this into our crease. Next, I'm going to go into this Shell Yeah color right here. And I'm going to go over the crease with this and then kind of bring it down to the middle of the lid. This one, Lovely Bunch, and I'm gonna put this kind of on the inner parts of the lid. It's just a lighter shade of brown that's going to help kind of blend the other colors together. So now I'm gonna go into this color Nutty. This is the darkest shade in the palette. These are all matte colors, and then we're gonna go into a shimmer. So I'm gonna just put the dark color right on the outer corner of my eye and just blend it inward. I'm going to blend all of that together, just like that. So I'm going to go into this Cocoa Crush. It's a shimmer, and I am going to place that color right in the center of my lid. So today I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin primer, face primer. I love this stuff. I feel like it really fills in my pores and my wrinkles. It also has hyaluronic acid in it to help kind of plump up your skin. So that's always nice too. So today I'm going to be using the Nars Foundation. This is a Mont Blanc, the Radiant Longwear Foundation. So this is the 16-hour wear foundation. And I'm just going to do a pump on my sponge. And it just leaves your skin like super pretty. I know I look a little ghostish, but once I add on my bronzer and blush and stuff, that goes away. So today I'm going to be using the Danessa Myricks blush. This is called Bread and Butter. So it comes kind of like a lipstick. There. So I switched brushes to just a round. I didn't like the flat. And then just keep blending and blending and blending. So we have that on. I really do like that color. And it blends really, really nicely and beautifully. Okay. Okay. So with my lips, I ended up just doing a nude lip liner, and then I put the blush on my lips too, just to kind of bring the whole look together. So, yeah. So tell me what you guys think down in the comments. And thanks for hanging out with me, and hope you enjoyed if you have any requests. I would love to do any kind of request. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.